In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the font size in Microsoft Teams, ensuring that your chatting experience is as comfortable as possible, especially if you find the default text size too small for comfortable reading, or if you're presenting content that needs to be visible to participants with varying visual capacities. First off, let's navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in. Go ahead and log in using your account credentials. This step ensures that you're entering a secure environment tailored just for you and your existing workspace. After successfully logging in, your next move is to head over to the chat section. This is where all your magical conversations happen, and it's from here that we'll be able to adjust the text size to your liking. Now, find the chat where you'd like to change the font size. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Click on this chat to open it. Once opened, you're going to focus on the message box where you'd usually type your messages. Here you'll notice a plus icon. Clicking on this will reveal more options for your message formatting. Among these options, look for the Show Formatting Options button. Clicking this button will expand your formatting toolbar, providing you with various ways to customize your message, including the font size, which is exactly what we're here for. With the formatting toolbar now visible, you might be tempted to start typing right away, but there's a small step we need to undertake first. Start by typing the word highlight into the chat box. This is just a placeholder text to help us navigate through the process. After typing, highlight this text by double-clicking on it. Doing so allows us to apply formatting settings specifically to this text, acting as our test pilot for the font size adjustment. Look for the font icon on the formatting toolbar. It might resemble a small letter A alongside an upward or downward pointing arrow. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu or a selection panel where you can choose various font sizes. Finally, choose a larger font size from the options presented. This selection will instantly apply to your highlighted text, giving you a clear preview of how your message will appear once sent. If the size fits your need, feel free to start typing your message with this new font size, ensuring everyone in the chat can comfortably read your messages. A helpful tip: remember that these changes affect only the messages you type after adjusting the settings. Previous messages in the chat will retain their original formatting. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to increase the font size in Microsoft Teams chats. This adjustment can make a world of difference in your daily communications, enhancing readability and ensuring your messages stand out appropriately. Whether you're sharing important updates, coordinating on projects, or just catching up with your team, being mindful of your text visibility can significantly improve the chat experience for everyone involved. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. If you found these instructions helpful, consider exploring more tips and tricks to enhance your Microsoft Teams experience further. Happy chatting!